Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to allow only friends can comment on your TikTok post. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly open the TikTok application. So when you will open, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on it, and after this you can see three lines. So just click on it. So after this here you can see setting and privacy. So click on setting and privacy, and then click on privacy. So when you will click on privacy, here you can see the options of comment. So just click on comment. So when you will click on comment, here is the options of allow comments from. So if you want to allow only friends can comment on your post, so just select friends. So when you will select friends, then only friends can comment on your post. So if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.